Alright, here's the Revelation song, guitar part 1, what we're going to call this. If you're listening to the original recording, it's kind of panned all the way to the right side. If you were listening to headphones, it would kind of be on your right. But remembering to start off, the song never changes from the chords. It plays all the way through it. It just does different shapes of those chords. So to remember that, let's start off remembering that F sharp is the first chord, right? C sharp minor is the second chord. Okay, E major is the third chord. Then B major is the fourth chord. Okay, we're going to be making little shapes, different shapes of that. So, but it never changes. Continues in F sharp, C sharp minor, E, B. Okay, but saying that, all right, we got to do this first little lick. It's based off this F sharp shape of chord. And you can make the whole chord if you want to, or you can just make this little bottom part of it like this, which is what I'm doing. And the picking pattern is like this for the F sharp. Okay, so it's the high E string with an upstroke, and the G string, downstroke, B string with a downstroke. It's just a repeating motion. So I'm going. And to see my right hand, to see what I'm doing there. Okay, so it's upstroke, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, so that's the first chord. The F sharp shape is that. Okay, all right, so we'll move forward. So the next chord in the sequence, we got F sharp. Okay, we're working on that. F sharp, that's good. Okay, so C sharp minor. And it's based off of a D minor shape. Remember we talked about shapes? And if I went all the way down here and made my D, regular old D chord, whole octave, the octave starts at the two dots right here. So I move all the way up here. If I'm playing a D down here, like I know, I move up a whole octave. Okay, I got a D. Well, to make a D minor, you know how to make that shape. So you make it. Okay, and the chord we're looking for is C sharp minor. So it's a half step to our left. So we're going back this way. So that's what we're looking for. So we're thinking chords the whole time, not shapes, because that's what will confuse you. Okay, so we already done F sharp, which is this guy right here. Now C sharp minor is our next one. That's how we make it in the regular position. Now we're moving it up here for this. Same picking pattern. Up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, so far we got F sharp. Okay, C sharp minor. Now E, we're gonna leave our pinky in the same spot, and we're gonna make this chord E. It's an F shape. You remember it looks just like an F that you would make down here in the root position, but it's up here high. That's the shape of the chord. Same picking pattern. Starting right on that high right there. Remember, we're an octave. Open E, and there's your octave right there at the two dots. So we're making an E chord. So that's our E. Okay? Same guy. Now we're going to go to the D shape. We know how to make a D. Regular old D. Same one we moved up. But we're looking for what's the next chord in our sequence. We've already done F. F sharp rather. C sharp minor. E major. We moved right through those. There's your F sharp, C sharp minor, E major. Okay, so what's left? Nothing left but a B. All right, here's how I trick my mind into remembering this. I know this is this second string. I know that's a B note, right? And I know these two dots are an octave. All right, so that gives me, I'm gonna make this D-shaped chord. It's now a B chord, because you remember you can move these things around. Any of these chord shapes. So there's my B. My ring fingers on that two dots. The octave of the B. I know open it's B. I know at the two dots is an octave. So that's my last chord. Same picking pattern. Okay, so that same thing. with the picking pattern goes from F sharp, C sharp minor, E major, B major. All right, you do that same thing all the way. You do the intro, you do verse 1, the repeat of verse 1, you do chorus when the drums come in. All right, and that goes all the way up until the re-intro where the bass guitar comes in, and that changes to a new part. So we'll get that part next.